finally the work on this road has started. Now this road is in a file where there are 3 roads altogether, and two of which are, one is Shantadurga and a little lower down. So altogether the estimate for these 3 roads is around 60 lakhs, and very soon the other 2 roads also will be started. And right now this what is happening is full grouting. Now this grout has to settle down. Once it settles down, then the next stage will be asphalting and hot mixing. But what we are happy about is that today there is a beginning for the betterment of this road. A lot of roads are happening. Some major roads are also going to be inaugurated, and I'm very happy. Of course, I am happy because this is what people need, good roads. Because as you travel up and down, you need smooth roads. Otherwise, you can develop all kinds of health problems also. Nobody associates a road with health, but health is definitely linked to good roads, especially after a certain age. As Sir has just said, this was a basic necessity, more so because the school is also located here, Ashiana. And I have been associated with the school, I have met the students, and I feel like I'm a part of the Ashiana school.
For last few years, because we have got a Ashiana Children's Home and a school close by, and we are facing a lot of problems. Your children are coming to school, parents, and every time, particularly in monsoon, it was a very difficult task for us to bring the children. So, in our surrounding people are also very happy. They were also waiting 2-3 times. We approached Madam, and Madam said, yes, I will help, and we will bring this in your locality. So we are very happy.